Hi guys, in this video I will explain how you can change your Android app's name when the user changes their language in the device settings. So what is the purpose of me making this video? So in an app I was working, I had to make the app work in multiple languages like Tamil, Telugu and Hindi, Arabic, French, etc. So this was some regional app where the users would want to use the app in their own language. So I was successfully able to do that. But I wanted to go one step further. What if the user manually goes to the settings and change the device settings from language from English to Tamil, etc. I wanted the app's name to change from English to that particular language as well. So in this video, I'll explain the step-by-step process of how you can change your Android app's name when the user changes their device's language. So this video is applicable for all Android apps. So if you use normal Java or Kotlin project, or if you use React Native as me, or if you use what I would say Flutter or any other cross-platform application, this will be applicable. So let's get into it, right? So what you have to do, go to Android, go to app, go to source, main, and then res. And then here comes the most important part. So if you click on values, if you click on strings, this would be there, right? Now let's take, I want to add Tamil language app name to this particular project. So what do you have to do? Also, I want to add French or German or whatever language. So the first step is I will show you that particular repository where you can see all the particular short codes you have to add, or the local code that you have to add to get this working. So for now, I want to add what? Tamil, right? So if I do that Tamil, and then you can see values.ta. So I have to create a folder called values.ta. So I'll go here in VS. I use VS Code, right? So that is the best out of. So values/ta, and then in that I have to create a file called create a file strings.xml. And then now comes the important part where I'll go here and then copy this and paste it here. So if I do that, you can see this should not be inside value, it should be outside value and inside res. Now this is the Tamil name, Apollo short. So that is the correct name. So if I also want to do it for Arabic, I can do it in this way. You have to remember Arabic is not from left to right. They write the language from right to left. So that should be considered, right? So Tamil is my mother tongue, so I'm going to use that because we have to go to the device setting to change the appropriate values. Now, in order for this to work, I'm going to go to the terminal and then I'm going to run the app again. So I'm just going to run npm run Android. So once that is done, the app will be recompiled in the emulator and then the changes would reflect. So if I go back to the GitHub repo, right? So let's take I want to add Telugu, right? I have to use TE, right? Now I'm going to go to the emulator, and then I'm also going to go to the VS Code. So in this emulator, I'm going to go to settings, and then you have to scroll down, go to system, languages, language. You have to click on add a language. So let's take I'm going to add what Telugu or Tamil, right? So Tamil is already there. So you have to tap on this. If you tap on that, you will see other language. So let's take I'm going to add Ilangai, right? Like Ilangai is Sri Lanka. So I'm going to tap on that. Now, if you see, go here, this is Tamil TA, values hyphen TA, not this or this or that. So if your users are based on these Singapore, Malaysia, and etc., like they're NRIs and they're based out of these countries, you have to enter this because they might go to the settings and then select this one, right? So you should also be careful in that. Let's say I just added Ilangai, but now how would they change the language, right? Now let's go back and see that this is in English. So I'll go here, and then this should not be done. This should be done. So I'm going to go here and then put it at the top. Once I do that, you can see at the top the language is changed from language to Moligal, which is languages in Tamil. Why I chose Tamil? Because I can't read other languages, so I just know these two. So I'm going to go here. You can see the app's name is changed from my own English name to what? To this one. So from this to this. right? So that's how you have to integrate the app. Remember, whenever you make any changes in the native code, you have to rerun the app again, right? Once you rerun the app, once the app compiles, this should work. So you can also test this in real device as well. So that is up to you. Now, if you want to add, let's say, I go back here and then you have to Thai or Turkish, etc. You can convert your app's name from English or Tamil or whatever language to your own language, and then create a thing called values hyphen tr. Once you do that, that will be added here. So like once you change the language, the device settings, that would be reflected here. So that's it, guys. That's it. That's how you create or change your app's name with respect to the device setting. So I wanted to add one more. Let's say you use something called I18, right? So that is nothing but internationalization. So I'm not here. So I8 and I sorry, yeah, localize. Sorry, I think yeah, this one. Sorry. So if I search that, and then I'm going to go to here. So these are the different types of languages that I use in my app, which is available in the app stores, as I said before. So the mistake I did, you shouldn't do this mistake. So what I thought was, if I use the React Native localize, etc., and all these things, when I change the app's language in the app itself, the app's name will change. That is not the case. This is also the case for iOS as well, which I will discuss in the next video. So that video will drop right after this. The thing is, if you change, let's say I'll just go to the app, right? So I'll go here, tap on this, like I'm opening the app, and then let's wait, it would run. So if I change the app's language from, let's say, English to Tamil, etc., like you can see it's in English, right? So I click on this, and then I can also change the theme for yeah, fun. So let's take a tap on this. You can see the language is changed from English to Tamil. What I thought was the app's name would change from English to Tamil, but that is not the case. It should only be done in the app settings. Then only your app's thing will change. Whatever you do within the normal JavaScript code, at least in React Native, I don't know about native code, it wouldn't work. I wasted a lot of time on this. I don't want you guys to do this. So whenever the user changes their device language settings, this will work. Right. That means the settings would work. Like what I'm saying is the thing. So let's take, okay, I'll show one more example. Like the app is also available in Arabic, right? So if I change the language to Arabic, so you can see all the things are in Arabic, right? So if I go back, you can see the app's name is still in Tamil, but it's not changed to thing because the app settings is in or like the device setting is in Tamil. So if I have to go back and see the RTL is applied here. So I'll go here and then change it to Tamil. So you can see once I change the Arabic, I reloaded the bundle, and then all the sections in the app is in RTS or RTL, right? So yeah, if you want your apps to be in the Gulf countries as well, it's better to change like make your app RTL right to left compatible. So I'm going to go back here, and then I'm going to change it from Arabic to what? Let's say I change it to Telugu, right? So this is out of scope of this particular video, but I'm just explaining how RTLs work, how internationalization works, and how you can integrate that. So I don't understand Telugu, so I'm just going to revert it back to English. Once that is done, you can see everything is reverted back. Now, if you want to change your app's device setting from this to that, you have to scroll down. I think system. So it's system, right? This icon, this one, more legal, and then I'll drag this from here to here. So yeah, so the language will be changed from Tamil to English. So I'll go here. Yes. Okay, so you can see it's changed from Tamil to English. So that's it. That's how you can integrate localized app names for your app. So in the next video, I'll explain about how you can do that in iOS with the help of Xcode. And then if you guys really like it, I would integrate the I18. That is like internationalization, where you can do the exact thing that I mentioned here. So let's say I want to add some other language, Polish, etc. I can also do it here. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video about iOS localized app names. Thanks.